When you're climbing, always have 3 points of contact. So you have 2 legs, 2 hands. So as you're climbing, either 2 feet and 1 hand always locked in, so you're reaching, or else you're 2 hands and 1 foot, so you're pushing with the other one. Very important. And as they say, see you on the other side. I hope.
Come on, Tom. Hooray! Go, Tom. Go. Hooray!
Who's next?
Me.
Lock in that carabiner. So remember, 3 points of contact. All the way up. Brian, have you treats in your pocket?
No.
You're a natural.
Yay.
Robert.
Robert. Robert. Robert. One more.
Maury, you are a champion amongst champions. You. Ah, come on.
Isn't quite as easy as you made it look.
Lads, he just made it look too easy. That's the problem. Hey. Lads, big boola boss for Awami. Big boola boss. If you want to get the helmets off, get the hats on, let's get moving. Let's get out of this wind. Let's find somewhere we can put up our shelter, okay? It's true what they say. This is going to be the adventure of a lifetime. Everybody got their walking poles.
We are halfway through day 1 and we haven't even made it to the top of the mountain yet.
You know what they say? It's tough to get to the top.